How to use UCard at Kroger. First, you have to verify eligible items. Before shopping, confirm which items are eligible for purchase with your UCard. Typically, you can buy healthy foods such as fruit, vegetables, meat, seafood, dairy products, and water. Over-the-counter items or products, pain relievers, cold remedies, vitamins, and first aid supplies. And then you will shop in store. So you want to visit a Kroger location, as UCard transactions are currently supported only for in-store purchases and not for online orders. At the checkout, you will inform the cashier that you'll be using your UnitedHealthcare UCard for payment. Scan your UCard. You will swipe or scan your UCard at the payment terminal. The systems will automatically apply the card's balance to eligible items in your purchase. Alternative payment: if your total exceeds the UCard balance or includes ineligible items, be prepared to pay the difference with another payment method. Check your balance after you have made the purchase. You can check your balance using the UCard hub, and also you can call the number on the back of your UCard for balance inquiries. And that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.